So how you can add a vintage look in Lightroom. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to effects here, and here we have grain. So of course we can increase grain, that's one of the things we can do. But on top of that, we can also click on mask here, click on background here. So click on background, and here we have a mask. We can create and add a mask, but another thing that you can do instead of doing that is we could actually add a very nice effect to this with is using linear mask. So if you go here to mask, instead of going here to the background and adding a background, instead of doing that, we go to linear gradient, and here to this we have a linear gradient, and here now we can add subject. Here we can subtract maybe sky, maybe the subject. All right, and now we can go here and increase the fringe, and it's not doing much because we have to select the sky, because that's what I want here. And if it's still not working, let's add first the sky and then the subject. And let's see now. Well, it's not still not what we want. And let's actually remove first all the mask. We're gonna add again this mask. Actually, let's remove this mask. Let's add this linear mask again, and I'm gonna move it above around here because I want to add a subtract to the subject. And then now I can increase this one here and the clarity, and we can also increase the grain again. And now you can add another mask with the actually subject now, but move this at the end. And now we can add a subtract and subject again, but move at the end this as well. Now we can increase this, which it's already is increase the grain, but this is actually going to affect all the others here. We can convert actually to an add if you want to, but this is just going to add a different effect to this. So we have grain, but also we have some clarity. So now here where we have masks, it's pretty good now to actually add, let's add a subject, and at the end we also add a subject, or we can add over here or over here, depends now how we like it. But I like it actually to be directed to the entire space here. If it's 2, we can decrease a little bit the contrast, too much contrast, highlights. So we can still play with the light here with the settings here, but also use of course the mask. That's how I would add a vintage look in a Lightroom. Now depends also, I have to keep it in mind, depends on the image. You might use different, I might use different settings. Before this one, that's how it use, but the basics are for me using the mask, because I want to control the grain and the light. So thanks for watching, like if you found this helpful, and take care.